Conquistadores. Today, we are presenting about the topic game and social media addiction among youth. Excessive gaming and social media use can lead to mental health issues, anxiety, depression and attention problems, physical health problems, sleep disturbances and an unhealthy lifestyle. Academic and social impact, decline in academic performances, poor grades due to the distraction. Social isolation, decreased face-to-face interaction and social skills.
Real situation in Vietnam. A study conducted in Vietnam found a high prevalence of social media addiction among students. The study revealed that platforms like Facebook, Zalo, and YouTube were the most popular and Vietnamese youth.
Many students reported feeling distressed when restricted from using social media and struggled to reduce their usage. This addiction has led to significant mental health issues and a decline in academic performance.
Now on to strategies to combat addiction. Several strategies can be implemented to address this issue. Education and awareness. Schools and parents can educate youth about the risk of addiction and promote healthy online habits. Time management. Encouraging balanced schedules that include offline activities like a variety of sports and hobbies. Parental controls. Utilizing parental control tools to limit screen time and monitor online activities. Professional support. Providing access to counseling and support groups for those struggling with addiction. Policy measures. Implementing regulations on gaming times and promoting digital well-being campaigns.
Community efforts. Community programs and initiatives can play a crucial role. For example, organizations can host workshops, create online resources, and promote outdoor activities to engage youth in healthier lifestyle choices.
Addressing game and social media addiction requires a combined effort from individuals, families, schools, and wider community to create a supportive environment for Vietnamese youth to thrive both online and offline.
That's all we have on the behalf of today. Thanks for listening.